Please welcome one of the executive producers and one of the Emmy-nominated stars of Justified, Mr. Graham Yost and Mr. Walton Goggins.
Hi, everyone. Thank you. One of the many things sound editors do is clean up the production recording, making sure there's continuity in the sound between takes and angles.
At the end of this past season on Justified, criminal matriarch Mags Bennett, played by Emmy-nominated Margot Martindale, dies after drinking her own poisonous apple pie moonshine. Now, this is how it aired.
In the deep, dark hills of eastern Kentucky, that's the place where I trace my bloodline.
Nicely done. Now, here it is with just the original production sound.
In the deep, dark hills of eastern Kentucky, that's the place where
Hey, pretty boy, why don't you ask that asshole Yost why he's killing me off? Pepper would let Goggins live.
To show there's no hard feelings, Margot sent me this photograph a couple weeks ago.
It's true. All right.
Okay, anyway, we come to our first Emmy, and it's for outstanding sound editing for a miniseries, movie, or a special. And the Emmy goes to the team from The Pillars of the Earth.
And the Emmy for Outstanding Sound Editing for Nonfiction Programming, Single or Multi-Camera, goes to Gettysburg.
And the Emmy for Outstanding Sound Editing for a Series goes to the team from Boardwalk Empire.
I'd like to thank everyone at HBO for their generosity and support, and my crew in the style of Boardwalk Empire are all out drunk and running, gambling and whoring tonight, so they couldn't be here. And I'd like to thank Martin Scorsese, who I've had the pleasure of working with for the last 25 years, and he still laughs at all my stupid jokes, so can't ask for more. Thank you.
We also have the honor of presenting the Emmy for Outstanding Guest Actor in a Comedy Series. And the nominees are